Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to link Ubisoft account to Steam. First, you need to open your Steam client and log in to your account. Then in the left top corner of the Steam client, click on the Games menu and select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Then in here, a new window will appear and click on the Browse button and navigate the location of the Ubisoft game you want to link to your Steam account. Then select the game and click Add Selected Program. The game will now appear in your Steam library. Click on the game and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Set Launch Option button. In the Launch Option box, type Uplay //connect and then click OK. Then launch the game from your Steam library. You will be prompted to log into your Ubisoft account or create a new one. Once you have logged in or created a new account, your Ubisoft account will be linked to your Steam account. And that's it. That's how to link Ubisoft account to Steam. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.